Hello and namaste to you all. I'd like to welcome you all in today's session focusing towards grade 2. I would like to go through our English session today, and in English we will be going for some of the naming words we are learning in today's session. If you have remembered, in earlier classes we have gone through the different topics. The topics are the first one letters, the next one words, and the next one sentences we have completed. But again, you may be thinking that why we are back again in the words. The naming words which are really essential for all the students of grade 2. That is what we call one of the part from grammar, it's noun. So, we will be dealing with nouns today, which is also called naming words. And now, in today's session, we are having lots of fun. Take it easy and try to grab the knowledge related to today's lesson. We will be enjoying the first activity today, that is related to the words. We will be categorizing all the words in the different column given there. And then after, I will be showing you some of the cards. They are flashcards related to the names. And the most fascinating chart of today's class with the naming word also I will be demonstrating to you through the slide. And finally, we will be finding with lots of examples, we will be finding what are nouns, why are they called naming words. Now, very hurriedly, I would like to request all of our beloved to be ready with their stationery materials. We know and we have habit of writing some important notes for today's class also. You have habit of writing it. Earlier also you have done and today also you need to do it. Now let's move on to the first activity of today. Listen the instructions carefully, because the teacher, whenever he or she gives the activities to be done, she will obviously provide or he will obviously provide the instructions what to do. By the chart itself, sometimes we may be unable to do it. Okay, let me provide you the instructions at first. The chart is given there. In the first phase of the chart, that is first part of the chart, I have mentioned some of the names like Ram, table, ball, Kathmandu, etc. There are lots of names. And the column below indicates name of person, name of places, name of things. So now, what you have to do here is, firstly you need to see the words from the first box. And then, accordingly, you need to categorize them. Which one is the name of the persons, which one is the name of the places, and which one is the name of the things. And you all are very lovely, so that I have made you a bit easier here. What I have done, the color, the different colors are there with the symbols of clouds. The different colors are there and the colors should also be matched. And then after completing each words, we will be providing 1 star to each. Like for example, if we write Ram in one of the column, orange color is there, the name of the boy is there, and Ram if we write, then after the completion we will give 1 star to Ram. Is it okay? Okay. Now let us start. The first one I already said to you, there is Ram. Now find out the name of the boy is there and the color also should be matched in this colon and the first box. So, name of the person we can write in the first colon, and this color also matches with the name of persons. So, here I have written Ram. The next one, I can go to the table. Listen it carefully. This also comes under vocabulary. Don't be confused that the teacher is giving lots of exercises at the same time. When we are doing one of the exercise, we have multiple understanding, multiple learning. So, caller's name also we are matching, or callers also we are matching. Beside that, name also we are identifying in which colon we have to write it, and beside that, the words, how do we pronounce it, how do we spell it, that also we are grabbing from the same. So, now the next one I take the example of table. It's table, blue collar. Can you see the blue collar colon here? Name of the things. Name of the things, it's table. The next one is there, babies. It's here again, orange color, cloud. And there we have the name of the persons, Sangeeta. So, here in this first colon, we obviously have to add. Dear children, after completing this 3 different clouds, we were supposed to be providing stars to them. So, 1 stars, 2 stars and 3 stars. It means we have completed this cloud to be included in the same column. The next one is there, we have ball. Can you guess which color is it? It's blue color. So, blue color, here where we have to write, it's the name of the things. Ball is the name of the things. So, here we need to write ball. The next one, you need to go to the cloud, which is green in color. Generally, we know cloud is black in color, but in exceptions, when we have to fascinate ourselves in our learning, we have to color it in a different way. So, here Kathmandu is given with a green color. Kathmandu is the capital city of our country, we know. So, where we can find out the green color, its name of places. So, here you can complete it, Kathmandu. So, here we have already written the name of Kathmandu, and now we are going to the next one. It's also with the same color, green. Green color indicates the name of the places. It's your choice. When you are doing such activities, you can do lots of other different ways. So, here I have written Bhaktapur. The next one, before going to the next row, what we have to do? If we have completed the second row, then stars should be given here. We all like star. When the teacher gets our work outstanding, our teacher gives us star. And we started counting, or we start counting, right? Okay. Now the next one, we are going to the orange color cloud. The name of persons. The name of the boy, Ayush, is given there. So, we shall write here in this column, Ayush. The next one, blue color. We indicated blue for name of the things. So, shall I write there? Okay, very hurriedly you can also write down in your notebook. It's pencil. The name of the pencil or the spelling of the pencil we can jot down there in the third column with a blue color. It's indication of the name of the things. Now we shall go to the another one more cloud which is also blue in color. The same colon. Just we need to find out what is it. It's the name of the things. Oh, you may have your book beside you today when you are in class. So, it's book. The next one. We shall go to the next word. But before that, don't forget children, another one row is completed there. So, we shall give the star there. Now, the next one, it's door. Blue color door. What is it? Name of the things. The next one, again blue color. How many blue colors objects are there? Blue color things are there. That is chair. I have written here very shortly, chair. And at last but not the least, these are not only the sufficient names, we can find out lots of naming words there. It's green in color. Please find out which one is green in color. Name of places. What do we have there? It's Pokhara. Pokhara is the most fascinating city for the tourist. So many tourists come to visit and they go to Pokhara once. So here we can write Pokhara. Is it alright children? Now let me clarify it once again. We are allocating the naming words in the different columns. And we also had to match the words along with the columns, the title of the different columns. Here with the orange color we have written the name of the persons. So far we have mentioned Sangeeta, Ram and Ayush. The next one is there in the green color. Green color indicates, here only it indicates. Is it fine? Here green color indicates the name of the places. So far we have written some of the places named there from Nepal, that is Kathmandu, Bhaktapur and Pokhara. Is it fine? Okay. Now the next one is name of things. The name of the things are indicated with blue color. There are lots of things we found from this list. Okay. The first one is table, ball, pencil, book, door and chair. So, we have completed all the words from this list. And now, let me clarify you once again children. These all are the names. So, that we call them naming words. Some names are of persons, some names are of places and some names are of things. Is it okay? Okay. Thank you so much for your active participation. Now, we shall go to the next activity, where I will be showing you some of the words in the flashcards. You will be reading aloud, you will be writing, getting the support from your parents, and then after we will do other remaining activity. Okay, the first one is there. Here I have the first word, that's the sea animal, which is also called the biggest sea animal. Enormous whale. Okay, this is also the name of the water animal. The next one here, it's a carpet. It's a carpet. Generally, carpets are kept in the floor to cover the floor, to make our room clean. The next one is there. We have jug. Where do we keep our keep water in kitchen? It's in jug. Generally, the elder people, they drink water from jug, but we need to get a glass because we are smaller. The next one, it's a bed. One of the things that we can see in bedroom. bed, the name of the furniture. The next one is there. It's piano, one of the musical instrument. I am a music man. I came from music land. I can play what music man can play. I can play the piano. It's piano, musical instrument, name of the musical instrument. Remember students, I have been telling the word name frequently. This is naming word. The next one is there children. It's fan. It's very hot, so I need fan in front of me. I have ceiling fan in my room. So this is fan, name of the things. The things which you have in your bedroom, it's fan. The things which you have in your living room, it's fan. Okay, now the next one. It may not be new for you. The word is not new. Remember, we have indicated the name of the places with green color. And here also we have one of the name of the place. It's Gorkha. The royal family originated from Gorkha. Okay. Now the next one, it's at last but not the least. This is also another name of the place. Biratnagar, which is also one of the industrial city of our country. Biratnagar, name of the place. Okay children, these are all the names. Names of some of the musical instrument, name of some of the places, names of things that we can find in the bedroom or living room where we talked fan, or even we also can find out some of the words related to the different things. So dear children, these all the words which I have shown you in these cards, they are the naming words. Names of the things, names of the places, names of the persons. So now dear children, we are going to one of the chart. You can see on your TV screen as well. The chart is related to the name of the different objects. Can you check it out there? Before, we have learned some of the names that only will not be sufficient for we to identify the naming word. So, here I have given the more instances to all the children for naming word. So, now let us see the first chart. In the first column of the chart, you can check it out there, the name of the vegetables. The name of the vegetables we have onion, carrot, pumpkin, beans. They are the names of the different vegetables. Vegetables itself is the name, but inside that, if we have to identify the particular vegetables, we need to get the name. What did you have in the morning today with rice? I ate pumpkin, right? I ate carrot, I ate brinjal, I ate onion. Okay, that could be the answers. So, vegetables itself is the one of the name, and beside that the name of the different vegetables also come under naming word. Now, the next one list is there, fruits. Wow! In summer season, do you know which fruits do you get? That is the queen of the fruits, it's mango. We can see in the list as well, apple, grapes, banana and mango. Others are also there, It is your work to find out other different names. I just provided this much. The next one is their wild animals. Oh, the one who lives in the jungle. Tiger, lion, bear and monkey. The next one colon, let us go very hurriedly. Domestic animal, the animals which are kept at our home. The people can rear them. So they are cat, dog, goat and cow. Flowers name rose, lily, lotus, orchid. And birds name, it's crow, sparrow, pigeon, parrot. Is it fine to all? These all are the words which are the name of the persons, places, things or others. So within these all the examples, we came to know this, that these all the names or these all the naming words are called nouns. We are dealing with the topic noun. So here we learned the different names which are nouns. Is it fine to all? Okay, now let me provide you some more hints what nouns are. Getting the idea of these all the examples, we can easily say now, but also for your easiness and don't be confused, what are nouns? Let's see on your TV screen. Nouns are the naming words. There you can find out. Naming words are called nouns. They are the name of the persons. They are the names of the places or things. However, we have learned the name of the vegetables or vegetables. It's vegetables. The name of the vegetables we have learned, that is name of things. That can be categorized in things. Name of the fruits we have learned. Name of the domestic animal. Name of the wild animals. Or even if you go for name of the days and name of the month also, we can categorize it as the noun. Okay, now these are all about or all the descriptions about noun. If we are talking about the first type, it is proper noun. Please spell it, okay? P-R-O-P-E-R, proper. And the spelling of noun is here. It's N-O-U-N, noun. Proper noun. Now, the children, you may be thinking there, what the teacher is talking about. It's proper noun. Do you want to get the more idea about proper noun? Do you want? Okay. Now, when we were talking about the name of the person, we know Ram is a boy. The name of one boy is Ram, not of all the boys. Every boys may not have their name Ram. So, Ram is a special name given to one single boy. So, that is what we call proper noun. I am your English teacher. I can be teacher. Your mother can be teacher. Your sister can be teacher. Your brother can be teacher. But if I say my name, Urmila, then the name is my speciality. That is proper noun. Like, which is the capital city of our country? There are lots of cities. Kathmandu, Bhaktapur, Lalitpur, Pokhara, Biratnagar, Birganj, Janakpur and so on. But which is the capital city of our country? It's Kathmandu. Kathmandu is only the single name of the capital city of our country. So, Kathmandu is the proper noun. Which is the most attractive and center of fascination, that is the one of the city of our country, then obviously we take the name of Pokhara. Do we have another Pokhara? No. So, one of the city where mostly tourists go to visit. They are fascinated towards the place. But Pokhara is also the city, and the single city is named after Pokhara. So, we can say it is proper noun. Is it fine? Okay. Now, if we are talking about our English book, if we talk about our English book, there are lots of names. Some of you may have Gulmohar, some of you may have English Reader, some of you may have other different names. But basically, focusing on the particular names of the English book, if we say Gulmohar, then that is proper noun. Which English book are you reading? I am reading Gulmohar. Is it fine? Okay. Now, we may be having lack of time for today. So, today we discussed about the different examples related to the naming words, and we tried to find out the introduction related to nouns, and even one of the types of noun we have explored in today's class, that is proper noun. Hope all the students will be practicing this one exercise once again in your notebook, and beside that you can categorize the naming words with a different order too, however we have discussed in today's class. So, hope all the students have enjoyed today's classes as well, and beside that we expect your active participation in completing all the exercises and assignments of the different subjects. Thank you so much for today.